At Jeanuvs, formerly FLDC, we take pride in being a one-stop shop for all your defense technology needs. We design, develop, manufacture, and integrate a wide range of systems, empowering our partners to soar above the skies with confidence, navigate the seas with certainty, gain unparalleled situational awareness, defend with unwavering resolve, propel exploration beyond the horizon, guard the maritime frontier with stealth and power, secure the land with unwavering strength, connect critical systems with reliability, drive innovation across industries, IoT and beyond. We're your optimal ally, supporting you every step of the way. Through advanced technologies and cutting-edge engineering, we provide fully integrated, indigenous solutions. Our expertise spans hardware, software, and mechanical engineering, specializing in high-performance PCB design, conceptual development, and manufacturing-focused designs. With a software team committed to the highest standards, we excel in hardware configuration, custom firmware, and driver development. Our state-of-the-art, 2 million square foot manufacturing facility is staffed by the best and brightest minds across various engineering disciplines. In addition to our core offerings, we also provide tailored solutions across industries such as white goods manufacturing, consumer electronics, automotive vehicles, powertrain, electronics, infotainment vehicle tracking via Naval, safety and control systems, and battery management systems. Our focus is on addressing your current operational needs while helping you achieve long-term capability goals. We simplify complexity and make the simple truly exceptional. For nearly 2 decades, we've delivered over 6,300 plus products. Trusted by more than 200 clients. Our visionary and steadfast approach ensures we meet your needs with peace and pace. Join us in shaping the future. We're at the forefront of adopting emerging technologies like AI, automation, drones, and advanced security solutions. Together, we can create a future where India is truly self-reliant. This journey requires your collaboration and trust.